welcome back. Today I really want some chill vibes in this vlog. I've been running around so much. I'm so grateful though for all these opportunities that have been coming in left and right. I've been having so much fun the last couple weeks and worked on some really cool projects that I can't wait for you guys to see, but I am overwhelmed and I am a little bit burned out. So today I really need some self-care. I need to take things slow and kind of show you the wellness routines that I follow that help me be in balance. Because when I work hard, I also rest hard. It's hardly morning, it's noon. It's 12:15 and I honestly couldn't wake up early today. I had an alarm and everything, but I snoozed it and here we are. But it's okay because I know that my body needed it, so I will say that like number one is getting a lot of sleep, taking a little nap. Like, don't feel guilty for resting when you need it. I made a cute little hummus on toast with some cucumber and tomatoes. And funny enough, the chapter today that I'm reading from the book that I'm reading currently, this is called You Are a Badass. And the beginning of the chapter is a quote from Mark Twain. I have lived a long life and had many troubles, most of which never happened. Oh my god, that's me with my overthinking. Sometimes we take on more than we can chew because we think we have to do it all, or that the world will fall apart if we don't do everything, or that we are bad, unlovable people if we don't do the 8 million things we're trying to do. So get very real with yourself here. Why are you doing all the things you're doing? Is it absolutely necessary that you do it all? Do you need to do it all at the same time? Can some of it wait? Be handed off to someone else? Dropped altogether? And if you must do it all, what would make it more enjoyable? The belief that taking time off will cause your entire life to collapse is not only unhealthy, but it's arrogant. The world will go on if you stop working, you see. If you don't take time off, your body will eventually put its foot down and make you sick. Bodies do it all the time. Stress is a leading cause of cancer, heart attacks, liver failure, stupid accidents, grouchiness, and suddenly not being able to breathe. Aside from the sickness factor, making time to do the things that inspire you should also be a priority because what's the point of living life without them? Where's the fun in waking up at 85 and realizing you couldn't find the time to enjoy yourself? Damn. It's so important to bring balance into our lives and not overwhelm ourselves with everything we want to accomplish and everything we want to do or what society thinks we should do. I feel it's so normalized to be super busy nowadays, and it's... Meanwhile, I just got my package from thredUP. It feels like this jean skirt that I found. Let me put it this way. There's nothing wrong with working hard for things that you want to do and achieve in life. That is something that you should be proud of. I'm very proud that I'm a hard worker, but at the same time, I never want to subscribe to the idea that I have to hustle and like put my needs aside in order to achieve something and achieve my dreams in life. I know that my dream life will also include leisure and fun, not working like sometimes. But work shouldn't outweigh your life. You shouldn't live to work, you should work to live. Not everybody has that privilege, but if you do have the ability to do that and set more boundaries between your work and your life, I think you should go for it. Back to the self-care. Also, how cool is this new toothbrush I got for Mode? I really have been loving this, and it's like magnetic, just sits there. Like, how cool is that? Also, this little part of it is a light. So it's nice because it's like a little night light for the bathroom. This really looks so good, and this thing like turns around. I'm super happy with them, and you should definitely check them out. I'll have it linked below. This is kind of like my oral care routine at the moment. I've been using these Bite toothpicks, and of course, my trusty tongue scraper. Definitely get a tongue scraper. It just makes you feel more fresh too. And I just got this like jar of coconut oil yesterday because I want to start oil pooling. I really want to check out the pieces I got from thredUP, so let's see if they fit. Look at this! Oh my god. This is a diesel skirt. I love that it doesn't have like a belt portion. I don't know. What is that called? I think it was supposed to like sit a little lower, but these hips will not allow that. But it's still very cute. I really like it. I can still wear this. I think it's really cute. Maybe I just need to like stretch it out a little bit. Today I took some time to tend to my plants, and this is such a nice, slow activity for me. It really calms me and grounds me to just give some love to my babies and get my hands in the dirt. Some of these were outgrowing their original pot. This is Carol. I also name all my plants. I don't know why, but I think it's cute. It was nice giving my plants a little love and allowing them to grow even more and giving them more space. And then I thought, let me do some home improvements while I'm at it, because I've been meaning to hang a plant in my bathroom. And this cute little plant has been in the kitchen, soaking up all the sun, getting really big, but it's so perfect in my bathroom the way it hangs. But it was definitely very big, so I decided to make some cuttings out of it. Can't wait to make more plants with these. I just wanna take a moment for my apartment because I love it so much, and the way the sun hits the apartment at certain hours, wow, like I'm so lucky to be here. I really feel so safe in this space, and I'm so grateful for it, and it's just so beautiful. And then I spent my evening catching up with my best friends over in Greece, and these calls are just so wholesome always. They really bring me back and make me laugh so hard. I'm so happy I get to experience days like this where I could just take things slow and let my body recover. I'm also in my luteal phase, so if you know, you know, but I always get a little weaker and more tired at the end of my cycle. So I really just try to take extra care and factor that into my schedule. I decided to end the night with a hot bath, and these really help ground me and regulate my nervous system and just melt off the day. I typically use French gray sea salt, and you can find this on Amazon for pretty cheap, and I also add magnesium flakes, which are so good for you. Then I add whatever essential oil I'm feeling that day. Today was eucalyptus oil, and I love the smell of eucalyptus. It really
Feels like it's opening up my sinuses and just smells so good in the bathroom. Sometimes I just meditate some music or I read a book, and I try to keep hydrated the entire time because hot baths will really get you sweating. After my bath, I'm just ready to head to bed, but thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed it, and I hope it inspires you to take some time for yourself, because you truly can't pour out of an empty cup, and self-care is so important in order for us to keep living a full and fun life. I love you so much. Bye!